Healthcare workers are receiving COVID-19 vaccines daily. Some who work in the private sector are wondering when it will be their turn, including physical therapists. 12 News reporter Rob Nesbitt talked with an owner at Prehab Sports Medicine in Warwick about his concern of falling through the cracks. Rob?
Chelsea, I first interviewed Arthur Keegan in April about how COVID was decreasing physical therapy appointments. That's improved, but now he's concerned with not being prioritized for vaccination. Physical therapist Arthur Keegan knows the vaccine will eventually come his way, but wants to know when. The owner of Prehab Sports Medicine says the American Physical Therapy Association advises community practices to follow state guidance.
I contacted the Department of Health and nobody there seemed to have an answer.
Keegan has heard from physical therapists who work at hospitals and says many of them have already received the COVID vaccine.
Community-based people like ourselves, we don't even know where we fall in to get fall in the queue to get our vaccines.
12 News reached out to the Rhode Island Department of Health for answers. Spokesperson for the department, Joseph Wendelkin, responded saying, quote, "We have not yet finalized all the groups for the different vaccination phases. We should have the final vaccination schedule available to the public very shortly." A decision that Keegan waits for while seeing a full schedule of patients daily.
It's not a virtual thing that we can do. We're right with people. We're touching them. It's a very tactile profession, and it's not something you can do 6 feet away from anybody.
Hand washing and wiping down of equipment is done between every appointment, according to Keegan. He says a vaccine would give him peace of mind each time he goes home to his wife and family after work.
I think it would just free up a lot of fear. Fear is the big thing, and we've been living with it, and everybody's been living with it, but there's a degree of burnout on all of us.
I asked Keegan how other states are prioritizing community-based physical therapists. He says that one of his colleagues in New Jersey has been scheduled to receive the COVID vaccine the second week of January. Reporting live in studio, I'm Rob Nesbitt, 12 News.